Hello and welcome everyone. This is less than a minute. So this word is accept and this word is accept. Accept, accept. So what's the difference? They might sound the same to you, but they're not the same. One of them is accept, the second one is accept. Accept is when someone gives you something or gives you a piece of advice, you accept it. You say okay for it. Normally it's about presents. For example, it's my birthday, you give me a present, and I accept it, of course. Now accept. Accept means to exclude something. For example, this mouse is black except this part is red. So here we have a black mouse and a red part. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.